My name is Brian Marks. I manage our relationship with Microsoft across North America. We are here in Orlando for the Microsoft M365 Community Conference, and we are more than excited. We've had a ton of foot traffic over the last 2 days, a lot of different verticals and customers, and a lot of users actually from the enterprise, higher ed, SMB space as well. And so one of the biggest showcases that we have had during this show is actually the Express Install go-to-market that we are working with Microsoft on. And so to kind of paint a picture, if you will, if you have a customer who is looking to completely outfit their conference rooms, and actually they're very excited about using Microsoft Teams rooms natively and having kind of Copilot spread its wings, what they run into a lot of times is that turns into conversations around having diagrams or vendors, or really a lot of things getting in the way when we're talking about complexity in the conference room from a deployment perspective. And so that's ultimately what Express Install fixes. If you can imagine one person being able to install a room in less than an hour, that's exactly what you see here. So we are working with a handful of different LCP partners such as Salamander and Heckler to ensure that we can work with customers to install not just with speed, not just as a cost play, but to ensure we're adding value so that we can increase adoption across these Microsoft Teams rooms for Copilot, and while doing so, making sure that it's standardized and also scalable at the same time.